all this wiring here was just dangling down. The zip ties around there, the black ones, for screwing it, attaching it up there. So we screwed that up there, and then the wire, that other wire, is now zip tied to that, along with over there the hydraulic lines and the other power lines were all just dangling, laying on the bottom, rubbing against stuff. Those are all secured now. So over here, this frame here, it would have been cut and just tack welded. So we put a brace in there, bolted it up, and all the screws that were along the sides that were broke off, we now have bolts in. So it's now bolted up versus just the itty bitty screws. And here's some of them. They were just snapped right off. And those aren't going to hold a water tank full.